In front of me is OPPO A17 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on sound and vibration, scroll down again and tap on the switcher next to vibrate on ring. This way you can switch off or on vibrations for incoming calls. You can also click on this one next to vibrate on silent to disable or enable vibrations while your device is muted. When you're ready, choose haptics and tones. Now you can manage system haptics by tapping on this switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!